Okay, everyone, this is a cold start for this 1974 Toyota Land Cruiser. And as you see, I put my hands. It's absolutely cold. It's not being fired up today at all. See my hands in the manifold, no problem. Here, usually get really hot. Okay, my hands on. Okay, let's walk around. Okay. My hands is in the block. Prevent is cold. It's cloudy, overcast today. It's about 75 degrees. Okay. Valve cover, no problem. Okay, fire them up. Beautiful. Install maybe once. And you got up and running the engine. And since the engine is cold, I can still put my hands on it. I'm sorry for the motion. Okay, now it's like it's still cold. Yeah, now it's like getting warm. And you're running. Brand new compressor. Obviously, AC compressor. Great engine that will start anywhere, any low altitude, high altitude, any temperature. This is a Toyota. It's like a Caterpillar. Great engine. Lasts forever. Alright, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you.